In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up Sweatcoin, and then from here, make sure to sign into your account and then click onto rewards. Now from on this page here, this is where we can buy different, so you want to click on the buy tab here, and now we want to click on any one of these gift cards depending how much Robux you want to buy. So basically we can swap Sweatcoin for a Amazon, Spotify, Google Play and more gift cards. So we got, I'm in Australia, so at the moment we've only got $5, $10 or $15 gift cards. Now basically what we're going to do, we're going to redeem that gift card for Robux. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use the $15 gift card. So for this, we need to go ahead and get 4,000 Sweatcoins to redeem $15. I don't have enough at this point in time, but once you've redeemed that, we want to click out of it. But before that, I find the best way to do this is to redeem it via your Google Play Store or your Apple equivalent, and then go to your Play Store. Now from your Play Store, go ahead and click onto your user profile in the top right hand corner, and then click onto payments and subscriptions. Now we want to go ahead and click on redeem code, and now go ahead and put that gift code in here to redeem whatever you've chosen. So it was 5, 10, 15, or depending what region. I think you can get up to 50 in America. And now once you redeem that code, we want to go ahead and open up Roblox. Now once you open up, we want to go ahead and click on the Roblox here. Now just go ahead and buy a package. So depending what gift card, so say I got the $15 one, I'm going to say choose the $8.49. So I'm going to click 400. And now with Google Play, I'm going to go ahead and choose my payment method. So I'm going to go and use, so yeah, just basically click onto that and then add your, and pay via your Google Play or whatever gift card. So we can even redeem a code here as well. So click onto that, scan that gift card that you got.